Hi there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads, a small business in Abington. It's just me. Came across your company. Thought I'd shoot you the screencast video just giving you some insight into how your website's doing and how Google works. If at the end of the video you'd like to learn anything more about Christy's Leads, please reach out via phone, email, or text. And if not, no harm, no foul. I'm going to start with content and keywords on your front page. Your front page is your most powerful page. And you have, your social media links, which are good, your contact, which is good, and more information about you down here. Generally, Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content that flows and is authoritative and meaningful. And within those 1,500 words of content, I put about 12 highly searched keyword phrases. So that could be tree removal, Jersey, tree services, South Jersey, stump grinding, South Jersey. Services that you do and where you do them and finding how they're the most popular way to search them is important to getting you to appear for those searches on Google. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the map pack and citations. So I just did a Google search for tree service, New Jersey, and I could have done, tree removal, New Jersey tree services. One of the ways to optimize your website is to find out the most popular way people are searching for your services and then to appear first for them by having the right keywords and the right backlinks, the right content. So here you have your ads, and then you have underneath your ads the map pack, which is a really good place to be because it's such high visibility. And in order, you get 5 lines here. It's a click to call on mobile. You can click on your website. And again, it's the first thing people see underneath the ads. And in order to get there, you just need to file for a Google business profile, which is free. And then once that's finished and optimized, you can start getting citations. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Angie's, Yellow Pages, Yelp. And then you keep up with them on a monthly basis to make sure that you're staying ahead of the game. If you are first spot in the map pack and the first business organically underneath it, you generally get about 70% of the search volume that comes to this page, which is a good decent amount. In order to be the first business organically underneath it, you want to have strong backlinks and referring domains. A backlink is just on their website that links back to yours. So it could be a blog about tree service and someone mentions your company, they post your website, that's the backlink, and the blog itself is a referring domain. So this is your website. This is a tool I use called Aros, gives me insight into any website. This is your power and trust. These spin all the way to 100. These are your backlinks and your domains. So increasing the quality and quantity of these would bring more power to your website. These are the keywords you're being found for and the traffic you're generating. So I'm going to just pop into your keywords here. But while that's loading, I'm just going to, or it's loaded already, I'm going to go over to a competitor, Princeton Tree Care, their trust, their power, their backlinks, domains, keywords, and traffic. And then here are you guys. Okay, so stump grinding, South Jersey. This is a really high buyer intent keyword. Someone wants stump grinding and lives in South Jersey. 20 searches a month, which isn't that much, but it's significant. I would definitely add it. The level of difficulty is 2, which is pretty low in terms of money and time. The lowest is 0, the highest is 100, and you're in spot 5, which might not put you on the first page. Tree removal, Hamilton, New Jersey, 40 searches a month, 0 KD, great word. 10, spot 10 for you. Tree service, Hamilton, 60 searches, spot 13, so you're on the second page there for sure. Tree service, Atlantic County, 20 searches, spot 32. And that's all. So there's a whole bunch more that you would, like, here's one that you could put in your content to increase your search volume and then increase your visibility on Google. So it's nice that these are in here. Trying to optimize them with backlinks would help. It would help bring you up, bring your site more power, and allow you to be found for some of those words that people are searching. So I hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to learn more about Christy's Leads, my door is always open. I'd love to have a 10-minute conversation with you to see if we're a good fit. I work within budgets and tailor plans specifically for each business. And if not, if the timing's not right, I do understand. Not a problem. I just appreciate you watching. Thanks so much and have a great day.